No player is an island, except in this game, where they kind of are. This is 1v1 to Endlines. Here, each player gets lots of touches on the ball, and they're developing their dribbling, attacking, and defending skills. Use 4 cones to create a small rectangular grid. Divide your players into 2 teams, one in pennies, starting on opposite end lines. Here's how it looks.
Here we go. Keep that ball under control.
Players scrimmage 1v1 and score by dribbling the ball over their opponent's end line, within a hula hoop's distance of their body.
Well done, Charlie.
Each time a player scores or the ball goes out of bounds, new players rotate in and a new round begins.
Well done, Sasha.
There's no shooting here. Yes, we know that's the fun part, but this helps players learn to control the ball, and it gives defenders more of a challenge.
Go shooting! Don't let her turn!
Players love this game because they get so many touches on the ball and even more room to score, and it's fast-paced. So even if you have players waiting, they'll rotate quickly and appreciate the chance to catch their breath. Coaches, if players are unevenly matched, pair them off by ability instead, or play the ball directly to a less skilled player. This way you can challenge each player to the level of their ability. Remember, use your speed, protect the ball, maintain control. Where they're going, you don't need goals.